the transformation for a low-carbon economy is very important for investors and for UBS Asset Management, because it is really a topic which came up particularly after the Paris Agreement, where some of the most sophisticated and largest asset owners really started to realize that actually climate risk and the carbon topic as such might affect their investment performance. So what we're doing is we're creating transparency for our clients to better understand actually what are the portfolio holdings and how are they exposed to those risks, or who are the winners, what companies are the ones who will profit from this trend. Yeah, it is really amazing our discussions we have on climate, issues with our clients, because it is most of the time it is not a standard solution you can offer a client. It's really you work together with clients to come up with the right solutions, and in many times that needs a global franchise like UBS Asset Management, with across asset classes, fixed income, equities, alternatives, private equities, real estate, active, passive. So in order to come up with the right solution for our clients, and also what we have been doing is not just claiming we have all the answers, but we know the people who have the answers. So what we have done in many instances with our clients, sophisticated clients, we bring an academia to the table, like universities like Harvard or City of New York, and with the clients at the table and us as the financial experts to really create those sophisticated solutions for our clients on this topic, carbon and climate risk. Yeah, we have been third year in a row the leader in the Dow Jones Sustainability Index in diversified financial industry, and we're very proud of it, because I know how difficult it is to achieve that position, because before I joined UBS I was the CEO for Baker Sam, and we did that assessment for the corporations. So I know how tough it is to get through it, and we are really proud. For a moment I was worried a little bit joining UBS if we would not win it this year, but we did. And I can tell you, it is really, the Dow Jones Sustainability Index has become the corporate benchmark when it comes to corporate sustainability around the globe. So it is really important, and also helps us, now DNA, what we do. We don't just say we are the leader in sustainable investing. It goes really top down across all divisions and areas within UBS to be that leader. And I have to say, now being part of UBS, for me it is not a surprise that we won. If I just see the efforts we have from our chairman Axel Weber to Sergio Motti, our CEO, Uli Kerner, our asset management CEO, the strengths and the depth we have in expertise and strategy on sustainable investing and impact investing, for me it is really a logical step to win this prize. And I don't think there's anyone else out there who could really compete with us at this moment. So that is really well deserved, I might say, but also very proud of this, and this is a great achievement of UBS. There are many definitions when it comes to sustainable investing, what it means. For us at UBS, sustainable investing means nothing else than adding an extra layer, an extra set of eyes in our investment process. So we do the financial analysis, but then we bring the extra financial criteria, environmental, social and governance, into our investment process. So for us it is a norm that analysts have all the necessary information to make the right investment decision for our clients. And it is really, at the end, nothing else again to create transparency, to be aware of all the factors which influence investment performance over time, and just to make a better informed investment decisions. And that's how we look at it when it comes to those sustainable investing criteria. This is a really important forum for us here in New York, and it's interesting how forums like this and others have developed over time. You see just the attendances. I mean, many years ago, you would have some same-minded people at those conferences. They all dream of a better world. And today you have some of the most sophisticated and largest asset owners on those conferences. I just saw it here as well. I mean, some really high-profile investors, very large asset owners are here, because again, they start to understand, what it means, how it can really make a better investment for them long term. So for us at UBS, it is really key to be part of those conferences, also using those platforms to communicate with our clients and also with peers to see how can we move the needle further when it comes to sustainable investing. So for us, we will be much more present in the future here and other places because we want to become the leader in this field in sustainable impact investing, and part of it is definitely also the exchange of information, facilitate debates, being part of those discussions with peers and also large asset owners.